Welcome back to the Basics Hub. Today, we're sharing some creative garden hacks that will transform your outdoor space into a vibrant oasis. From repurposing materials to creating unique planters, these ideas are perfect for any gardener looking to add some flair. Let's dive in. Hack 1. Repurpose vinyl gutters. First up, let's talk about repurposing vinyl gutters. If you're short on ground space, hang these gutters on your porch or fence to create unique planters. Simply drill drainage holes, fill them with soil, and plant your favorite herbs or flowers. It's a stylish way to utilize vertical space effectively. Hack 2. Old wheelbarrow garden. Next, transform an old wheelbarrow into a rustic garden planter. Just drill drainage holes in the bottom, fill it with soil and flowers, and you have a charming addition to your outdoor space. Plus, it's easy to relocate whenever you want. Hack 3. DIY sun catchers. Add a cheerful touch to your garden with DIY sun catchers. Using simple materials like wooden flowers and acrylic paint, you can create beautiful decorations that sparkle in the sunlight. Hang them around your garden for a fun pop of color. Hack 4. Mason bee house. Attract beneficial mason bees by installing a bee house in your garden. These pollinators can significantly enhance the productivity of your plants. It's an easy project that helps support local wildlife while benefiting your garden. Hack 5. Stock tank planters. Consider using galvanized stock tanks as planters for your vegetables or herbs. They are durable, affordable, and can be moved around easily if needed. Plus, they add a rustic charm to your garden setup. Hack 6. Create a cocktail garden. Designate a small area in your garden for growing ingredients used in cocktails. Plant herbs like mint and basil alongside fruits like strawberries and limes. Not only does this add beauty to your space, but it also provides fresh ingredients for delicious drinks. Hack 7. Upcycled containers. Upcycle vintage containers like, old pots or tins as unique planters. This adds character to your garden while being eco-friendly. Look for interesting shapes and colors that can serve as focal points in your outdoor decor. Hack 8. Garden pathways. Create beautiful pathways using materials like mulch, gravel, or pavers to guide visitors through your garden. This not only enhances the aesthetic appeal, but also makes it easier to navigate your outdoor space. Hack 9. Children's garden. Establish a dedicated space for kids to explore nature with a sensory garden. Include plants they can touch, smell, and see to foster their love for gardening while making it fun and educational. Hack 10. DIY window box planters. Finally, brighten up any window with DIY window box planters. Use materials you already have at home to create these charming additions that provide extra planting space and enhance curb appeal. And there you have it, creative garden hacks that can transform your outdoor space. From unique planters to fun projects for kids, these ideas will help you make the most of your garden. If you enjoyed these hacks, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative gardening ideas. Share your favorite hack or any other gardening tips in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.